Hi friends, welcome to Trending Stocks. Kindly subscribe to my channel for the latest market updates and also the multi-bagger tips. Now we are going to discuss about Future Group and Reliance deal. So in the morning, I updated that today there is Delhi High Court single bench order is going to be pronounced, and also the SAIC appeal also the Future Group already they submitted SAIC appeal. So we will go all the details and the order also. That means a single bench order also. So actually, you can see that all the medias they have taken this as a big victory to Amazon, but it will not make any impact. Actually, the single bench order will not make any impact as long as the case that means status quo appeal case is on Supreme Court, which is going to be here by end of April. So it will not make any major this thing. You can see that a single judge bench. Justice Jayar Midda has imposed 20 lakhs penalty on Future Group entities. The court has issued notice to Kishore Biyani and have asked them to present in the court for the next hearing on April 20. So during this time, the Supreme Court case will be started. So it will not make any major impact. And also, single bench they told that. Future Group already they have violated emergency arbitrator award. So that's the reason Future Group has been directed to approach authority recall for approval granted of all Future Group Reliance deal. That means all CCA approvals, SEBI approvals, and also all exchange approvals and all. So this will not make any impact as I said before, because Supreme Court hearing will happen soon. So that's and it is already challenged. This particular case is already challenged in Supreme Court. So Supreme Court is apex court, so there will not be any major challenge on this. So just we can ignore this particular order. But and also you can see that already the today morning they have Future Group already they approach Singapore arbitration, that means SAIC, for withdrawing this thing, that means FRL from emergency arbitration. So let us hope for the best. Some positive news we can expect on coming days. So surely this thing, that means Future Group will challenge in SAIG as well as in Supreme Court, and we can expect a positive news. Positive news. So this single bench order, it was already challenged in Supreme Court, as I said before. So no need to worry on this. So it will not make any major impact. Today, almost all the Future Group shares closed in negative. You can see Future Retail was on negative, and there was almost 50% delivery. And also because we can say that it's a part of entire index was also down, but avoid making any average for the meantime. If you hold the share, just hold it, but don't buy it now until some positive news comes from either from SAIC or from Supreme Court. So it will take some more time. I believe it will take almost 3 to 4 months. It will take to complete the deal. Surely, in case if there is any, that means a SAIC order also, it will take some more time. So just hold for the meantime and don't buy it. Don't make any average. Maybe there are chances to fall also. Maybe in gradually there will be a minor fall also will be happen in case in during this time. That means Supreme Court, during this Supreme Court hearing and all the order and all those stuff coming. So just hold for the meantime, and don't make any average. Don't make any major investment for the meantime. Just hold it. Don't sell. So let us hope for the best. Once deal is completed, this will be a multi bagger. So thank you very much. Thank you.